Hi, Cindy here for CBWebworks, where we review and discuss everything to do with making money online. I'm a work-from-home wife, mom, and internet entrepreneur who has been focusing on her online business for the past few years. I assist internet entrepreneurs in reducing technical overwhelm and information overload so they can really focus on increasing traffic, generating leads, and multiplying conversions for their websites, which is pretty much the bottom line. In this blog, I review many different ways you can make money online. I also share some of my own experiences and insights that I've picked up along the way. At CBWebworks, we hash out everything from financial trends to reviews on the latest digital software and tools. Early on in my online journey, I found one of my biggest pitfalls was the shiny object syndrome. If you've never heard of this, in a nutshell, it's about running after the latest and greatest new course or tool that promises to get you X in X number of days. When you're managing your own online career, you definitely need resources that will get you to your end goal as quickly as possible. And these shiny objects can definitely look enticing. However, if you get stuck in the loop of always trying out new courses and software tools, chances are this will end up delaying your productivity and even set you back more than a couple of dollars in the process. Personally, I love the financial and time freedom that can come with having an online business. It means I have more time to spend with my family, which is a huge plus factor for me. That's what keeps me motivated and pushing forward, even when the road takes those unexpected sharp turns or even veers off course. It's all part of the journey. My goal is to hopefully alleviate some of the extra noise and shiny objects and sharp turns so you can reach your success point that much quicker. Let's clarify one important thing though. Following the tips and advice on my blog will by no means guarantee your success. I mean, many people spend years building up an online presence without even seeing a dime for their efforts. Let's face it, there is a ton of competition in the online world. But you know what? Don't let that deter you. For the tons and tons of competition, there are literally billions of potential customers just waiting for the right information or that right product to come across their path. This information or right product could very well be your own. So you know what? Let's dive in and start seeing how we can get you on the road to financial freedom.